Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sarada Devi Maths Classes. Today we will solve question number 5 onwards in exercise 1C in rational and irrational numbers. So let us start. Fifth question is simplify. In that the first sub question is 22 by 2 root 3 plus 1 plus 17 by 2 root 3 minus 1. Here roots are there in the denominator, so let us rationalize. That is, we can eliminate roots in the denominator by multiplying both the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of the denominator. Here in this case 22 by 2 root 3 plus 1. Its conjugate is 2 root 3 minus 1. At the same time we have to multiply the conjugate with the numerator also. So 2 root 3 minus 1. Here this is plus 17 by 2 root 3 minus 1. Here the conjugate to 2 root 3 minus 1 is 2 root 3 plus 1. In the numerator also we can multiply 2 root 3 plus 1. This is equal to, here the denominators are in the form a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So 2 root 3 square minus 1 square is 1 itself. Then 22 into 2 root 3 minus 1 plus 17 into 2 root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 3 square minus 1. This is equal to 22 into 2 root 3 is 44 root 3 minus 22 into 1, that is 22, divided by 2 square is 4. That into root 3 square is 3 minus 1 plus 17 into 2, that is 34. Then root 3 is there. That plus 17 into 1, 17, divided by here also 2 square is 4. That into root 3 square is 3 minus 1. This is equal to 44 root 3 minus 22 divided by 4 into 3 is 12, 12 minus 1 is 11. Then that plus 34 root 3 plus 17 divided by, here also 4 into 3, 12, 12 minus 1, that is 11. So here the denominators are same, so we can take the common denominator as 11. The common denominator 11, then we can just write the numerator 44 root 3 minus 22 plus 34 root 3 plus 17. So here it is 44 plus 34, that is 78 root 3 minus 22 plus 17, that is minus 5 divided by 11. So this is the answer. Now the second question is root 2 by root 6 minus root 2 minus root 3 by root 6 plus root 2. Here we can take the denominator as root 6 minus root 2 into root 6 plus root 2. That is the product of these two. Root 6 minus root 2 into root 6 plus root 2 divided by root 6 minus root 2 is root 6 plus root 2. So here root 2 into root 6 plus root 2, then this minus, then root 3 into this root 6 minus root 2 into root 6 plus root 2 divided by root 6 plus root 2 will give you root 6 minus root 2. That way to write here. Now this is equal to root 2 into root 6, that is root 12, plus root 2 into root 2 is 2 minus root 3 into root 6 is root 18 minus into minus is plus root 3 into root 2, that is root 6 divided by, this is a minus b into a plus b form. So root 6 square minus root 2 square. This is equal to, here we have factorized this 12 and 18. So we can write this 12 as root of 2 into 2, that is 2 square into 3 plus 2 minus root of 18, that is 3 into 3, that is 3 square into this 2 plus root 6 divided by root 6 square is 6, root 2 square is 2. So 6 minus 2, that is 4. That is equal to root 2 square is 2, then root 3 is there, then plus 2 minus root 3 square is 3 into root 2 plus root 6 divided by 4. This is the answer. Now the sixth question is, if x is equal to root 5 minus 2 by root 5 plus 2 and y is equal to root 5 plus 2 by root 5 minus 2, then find first question x square, second y square, third xy and fourth x square plus y square plus xy. So let us take the first one. We have to find out this x square. We are given x as root 5 minus 2 divided by root 5 plus 2. This root in the denominator, so we can rationalize the denominator. So the conjugate of root 5 plus 2, the denominator is root 5 minus 2. We have to multiply the denominator with that conjugate root 5 minus 2, and at the same time we can multiply the numerator also with the root 5 minus 2, and this is equal to root 5 minus 2 whole square divided by here a plus b into a minus b form. So root 5 square minus 2 square, that is equal to root 5 square plus 2 square minus 2 into root 5 into 2 divided by root 5 square is 5, 2 square is 4. So this is equal to root 5 square is 5 plus 2 square is 4 minus 2 into 2, that is 4 root 5 divided by 1 is there. Now this is 5 plus 4, 9 minus 4 root 5. This is x. We have to find out this x square. So that is equal to x is this 9 minus 4 root 5, that whole square. That is equal to a minus b whole square form. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 9 square plus 4 root 5 square minus 2 into 9 into 4 root 5. This is equal to 9 square is 81 plus 4 square, that is 16 into root 5 square is 5 minus 2 into 9 into 4, that is 72 root 5. That is equal to 81 plus 80 minus 72 root 5. That is equal to 81 plus 80 is 161 minus 72 root 5. So this is x square. That is the answer to the first sub-question. In the second sub-question, we have to find out y square. We are given y as root 5 plus 2 by root 5 minus 2. We can rationalize this. So root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5 minus 2. Conjugate of root 5 minus 2 is root 5 plus 2. We can multiply the numerator and denominator with the root 5 plus 2. Now this is equal to root 5 plus 2 whole square divided by root 5 square minus 2 square. That is equal to root 5 square plus 2 square plus 2 into root 5 into 2 divided by root 5 square is 5 minus 2 square is 4. So here the denominator is 1. So this is root 5 square is 5 plus 2 square is 4 plus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 root 5. That is equal to 9 plus 4 root 5. This is the value of y. We have to find out y square. So that is equal to 9 plus 4 root 5 whole square. That is a plus b whole square form. So 9 square plus b square, that is 4 root 5 square plus 2 into 9 into 4 root 5. That is equal to 81 plus 4 square is 16 into root 5 square is 5 plus 2 into 9, that is 18. 18 into 4, 72 root 5. This is equal to 81 plus 80 plus 72 root 5. that is equal to 161 plus 72 root 5. This is the answer to the second sub-question. In the third sub-question, we have to find out xy. We know x as 9 minus 4 root 5 and y as 9 plus 4 root 5 after rationalization. So, what is xy? That is equal to 9 minus 4 root 5 into 9 plus 4 root 5. This in the form a minus b into a plus b. So, a square minus b square. So, 9 square minus 4 root 5 whole square. That is equal to 9 square is 81 minus 4 square. That is 16 into root 5 square is 5. That is 81 minus 16 into 5. That is 80. That is 81 minus 80 is 1. That is the answer to the third sub-question. Now fourth sub-question, that is x square plus y square plus xy. We have found out the value of x square as 161 minus 72 root 5. Then that plus y square, we found it as 161 plus 72 root 5 plus xy, that is 1. So, this is equal to 161 minus 72 root 5. We can remove the bracket. So, plus 161 plus 72 root 5 plus 1. Now, we can cancel minus 72 root 5 and 72 root 5. So, that is equal to 161 plus 161 plus 1. That is 322 plus 1. That is 323. That is the answer. Now, the seventh question is, if m is equal to 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2 and n is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2, find the value of 1. M square 2, n square 3, m into n. So, m is equal to 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2. That is equal to, we can rationalize 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2 into its conjugate, that is 3 plus 2 root 2. Numerator also we have to multiply with the 3 plus 2 root 2. That is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by a square minus b square form. So, 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. That is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 9 minus 2 square is 4 into root 2 square is 2. That is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, because 9 minus 4 into 2 8, value is 1. So, 3 plus 2 root 2. So, we got m as 3 plus 2 root 2. But in the first sub-question, we have to find out m square. So, that is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 whole square. That is 3 square plus 2 root 2 square plus 2 into 3 into 2 root 2. That is equal to 3 square, that is 9, plus 2 square is 4 into root 2 square is 2 plus 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12 root 2. That is equal to 9 plus 4 into 2 is 8. So, 9 plus 8, that is 17 plus 12 root 2. That is the answer to the first sub-question. Now, the second sub-question is, we have to find out n square. We are given the value of n as 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. Then that is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2 into conjugate of 3 plus 2 root 2. That is 3 minus 2 root 2. Numerator also we have to multiply with the 3 minus 2 root 2. Now, this is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by a square minus b square form. So, 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. That is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 3 square, that is 9, minus 2 square is 4 into root 2 square is 2. That is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 9 minus 8. That is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. But we have to find out n square. So, that is 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square, a minus b whole square form. So 3 square plus 2 root 2 square minus 2 into 3 into 2 root 2. That is 9 plus 2 square is 4 into root 2 square is 2 minus 2 into 3, 6 into 2, that is 12 root 2, that is equal to 9 plus 8 minus 12 root 2, that is 17 minus 12 root 2. That is the answer to the second sub-question. In the third sub-question, we have to find out m into n. So m into n, that is mn, that is equal to m, we got the values 3 plus 2 root 2, and n we got the values 3 minus 2 root 2. So a plus b into a minus b form. So a square minus b square, 2 root 2 square, that is 9 minus 2 square, that is 4 into root 2 square is 2. This is 9 minus 4 into 2 is 8. That is the value of m into n is 1. So, okay, thank you very much for watching the video. Practice all these questions thoroughly. Soon I will come back with the next video. Till then, bye-bye.